We're just getting more video now in of the aftermath of this attack. Let's play that.
Stay down.
Just giving you a sense of the immediate aftermath of the attack, the chaos, the confusion, obviously all the dust that was created by the twin explosions. Namel Bagher saying that it's believed that they occurred relatively close to each other. You can see people with luggage carts. This was in the departure terminal, the most vulnerable part of an airport.